Hi everyone, this is Brandon from 3D Printing Systems, and we are here today with Shining 3D and their new FreeScan Trak Nova. We're going to be using this in combination with the bar to be scanning the bucket behind us to show you guys what the system is capable of. The FreeScan Trak Nova is one of the latest offerings from Shining 3D. Building on the groundwork laid from the Trak Pro 2, the Trak Pro Nova takes portability to a whole nother level with its wireless TE Nova handheld unit and UE Nova tracker bar. When used in conjunction with each other, these two create a marker-free scanning system that allows the user freedom of marker-free scanning up to 2.3 meters away, with a bounding box of up to 2.6 by 2.2 meters. The handheld unit is dotted with IR markers held together with a forged carbon fiber frame, creating an extremely lightweight user experience of only 1.2 kilograms, while the UE Nova tracker bar comes in at an equally impressive 1.6 kilograms. Now this is important as the UE Nova tracker bar can actually be used as a scanner itself. This however does require the use of markers, but because it has such a wide field of view, you need significantly less markers and are able to blast through the work at ludicrous speeds. The TE Nova packs a punch with a high-speed scan setting which includes a 50 laser line mode, a detailed scan setting which uses 7 parallel lines, and a deep pocket scan which gives you scalpel-like precision with one single laser line. With a single-shot metrology-grade accuracy of 0.02 millimeters and a volumetric accuracy of 0.046 millimeters plus 0.012 millimeters over a meter, you can be sure that this is the most accurate way to 3D scan your part. With this trio of laser line modes, you can tackle anything from airplanes all the way down to something as detailed as a coin. With the ability to screencast your laptop to something like an iPad, you're able to hold your iPad in one hand, the scanner in the other, and see exactly where you need to scan and where you have scanned. All right, everyone, that just about wraps it up for today. We hope that you've enjoyed this new video showing off the new system from Shining 3D. If you need any further information, please get in contact with us either through our website, via email, or give us a call. Thanks so much.